GAIAM and True Beauty Movement Posture of the Week tutorial. So you guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us for our weekly posture. So you guys, remember, if you are new to our posture of the week, my name is Heather. I am a GAIAM Guru Ambassador. I am a yoga teacher. We're here in my studio. Hello, you guys. I love tuning in with you guys every week. I truly look forward to this every single week. And I'm so excited to partner with GAIAM, you guys, to bring you our weekly posture tutorial. The extended side angle pose it's kind of a mouthful. I try to put the way that it's like pronounced on my post. It's Utthita Parsvakonasana. Today's chakra that it's really going to help to balance is going to be the root chakra. Okay, it's going to help to ground you, and it's going to help with any kind of blocks in between to connect us to our lavender chakra, which is the highest version of ourselves. So we're really focusing on that solid foundation. Think your health and wellness routines. Think your morning routines, your evening routines. Are they as maybe, efficient as they could be? Think waking up on time, not hitting the snooze button. All those things that we kind of think are just basic, but really can be the thing that makes us or breaks us on being our highest version of ourselves, or kind of not really up to par of what we know we're capable of, right? So the positive affirmation with today's posture, and I always know it's backwards for you because I like to see your comments. This is a beautiful one. I remind myself of this as a blogger, as an influencer all the time. What it is I live true to my priorities, okay? And the focus blend allows you to focus here and now and get done what you truly want to get done, not get sidetracked by social media, not get sidetracked by all the different things that are going on in the world today, right? And it allows you to really stay true to your priorities. I use this constantly as a blogger and just to stay focused, and there's more information on my page on that. Clary sage is the other oil, guys. So clary sage is really good for overall balance. Number one that people usually think of for clary sage is hormonal balance. So if you feel like your hormones are out of whack, or you feel like you don't have a solid foundation, this is going to be really, really helpful to ensure that, on a physiological level, your hormones are in balance so that you can then have that solid foundation and extend to the highest version of yourself. Then I like to place the essential oils on my temple area, sometimes here in my third eye, my intuition. I'll do a little hand mudra here, deep inhale. So with extended side angle, what we want to do is have your feet about one leg distance apart. So right here, this looks like about one of my legs, right? Look at my leg distance, that looks like about one. You don't want to be too spread thin, right? In life, we need to take care of our core, take care of our foundation. And you don't want to be, too close together, although you can do that if you're, a beginner, you feel like you need a little bit more stability there. So here what we're going to do, hands on the hips, we're going to slowly think of your warrior one, all your different warrior postures, right? We're going to bring, this is my left leg, so we're going to bring our left toes forward, and we're going to bring our right toes, so we have more of a 45-degree angle here. Now again, if you are a brand new beginner, there's nothing wrong with bringing your foot out a little bit more for more stability, but the highest version of the extended side angle is we have the heels in alignment. So if I was to draw one line from the front heel to the back, we have those in alignment so that we're really being strong here and aligning our chakras and having that solid foundation, right? We're bending that front knee so that we have the knee directly over the ankle at more or less, it should be about a 90-degree angle there, okay? So we're really solid. So remember, I live true to my priorities is the positive affirmation. So we want to have a solid foundation who we are. This is why we're helping the psoas, anxiety, stress, the root chakra by stretching and opening through the hip flexors. Next, what we want to do is start to bend the elbow just a little bit and have that hand facing out. And you saw this probably on GAIAM's page and also on my page if you check it out, we're extending. So sometimes I'll start a little bit like this and just open up through the heart, make sure I'm not collapsing. But what we really want to do is want to have one kind of nice angle of energy, extended side angle, right? So from my fingertips all the way to that back heel, we're extending through the energy. We're moving that left knee or your front knee out, right? So we're opening up all through the hip flexor. So if it's caving in forward, we're opening up this way. Start to stretch up, look up towards the highest version of the self. Deep inhale, and you can slowly come up. Give that knee, give that thigh a little break, okay? It's pretty powerful, so you can feel, even in that kind of start to burn up in a really good way. You're getting the muscles moving, right? We're moving around, maybe kind of blocked energy there in the root chakra, so it's allowing us to move forward to the highest version of ourselves. If you want to go a little bit deeper, a little bit more intermediate, you guys can use a block, okay? Or something that's going to give you a little bit more stability, even a bolster, but I like blocks here. We're placing this, so this block, okay? You know how it can go flat, where it's a little bit shorter, or a little bit taller. You could do either one based on where you're at. I would start a little bit taller here. Place it outside that front foot, okay? Give my leg a little bit of a breather, and now we're moving into intermediate. So bend that front knee, 90-degree angle like we talked about. Front toes are facing forward, back toes are at a 45-degree angle. And here you can place your hand on that block and start to extend. So remember here at the extension, what we want to do is shoulder, here's like the challenge, shoulder down the spine. So as even though we're extending, we still want to kind of somewhat bring that shoulder down the spine and start to move that left knee out towards, over here, towards the armpit. And we're reaching our eyes, our gaze out towards the highest version of ourselves. Come all the way up, okay? Let the energy flow. It's gonna be intense if you're doing this in your office, if you're doing this at home, okay? So really allow that energy to flow. Remember, the more you're feeling it's moving around, that's really, really good. It means that we're moving stuff out. We're moving out stress in that psoas. If you want to be more advanced, this is what I do in my posture, in my practice. Keep in mind though, advanced is not always better, and that's really, really important. Sometimes I don't want to do advanced. It doesn't feel right in my practice. Sometimes I really, really love beginners. It just feels good. I like that I'm kind of self-reliant here. It just feels fantastic. So listen to yourself and remember that advanced definitely is not always more beneficial for you. It's based on what your body really needs that day and where you're at in your practice, okay? So if you want, for more advanced, we're removing the block. Make sure you have a solid foundation here. And we are simply placing our hand all the way down the floor instead of the block. So we have that knee facing out. We're reaching down. And we're extending here. So as we're extending, you can kind of extend up a little bit. You can go on your fingertips. That's another one that I like to guide my clients on. And remember, we're opening through the shoulders, wide through the collarbones, keeping that knee, that front knee out. So towards the lower armpit. Reaching, you can reach across. And inhale all the way up. So that front leg for me, oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you could feel this. It's like burning, but in a really, really, really good way. I can feel the energies rushing away from the psoas. So keep this in mind. Make sure you create balance in your body. If you just do one side, this is my left side here, that's controlled by my right brain. Right brain is creativity, fulfillment, that's beautiful. But we still need to do that other side because our right side of our body is controlled by our left brain, which is our sense of control and our sense of kind of chronological thinking, and sometimes that helps us to kind of get things done, right? In order to kind of think of to-do lists and things like that, you gotta have both sides for balance. So on the other side, same thing. Here in the thigh. Got a little bit of a sweat going on. This is what's so awesome about yoga. When you do it correctly, you guys, where you're really intentional and you're using isometric movement, I have a little bit of a sweat going on because it's a workout. Make sure you guys tune in next week. So next Tuesday, we will have our posture of the week. So excited to bring that to you guys. I already know what I'm gonna do for that one. And we've had a lot of requests for that one. So until next time, you guys, be balanced, be true, and be proud of you. See you later, guys. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today's True Beauty Quick Tip. If you like what you see and for more confidence building tips on how to be a beauty from the inside out, remember to subscribe to our channel and connect with us at truebeautymovement.com. That's TRU without the E, Beauty Movement. Love you guys. Until next time, remember, be balanced, be true, and proud to be you.